Hi, Chris from Dynojet here. Today we're going to install a Power Commander 5 on this Kawasaki Teryx 800 4-seater. To get this install started, we're going to go ahead and pull both of the front seats and the seat backs, and we'll need to remove the plastic surrounding the engine compartment. We're going to remove this side panel and the kick panel from the driver's side. We'll also need to remove the panels on the passenger side of the vehicle. The last thing we'll need to remove is this rubber cover from the top of the engine. Now that we have the seats and the plastics removed surrounding the engine and we've loosened the kick panel on the driver's side, we're going to come to our first connection, and that's to the vehicle's crank position sensor. That's a pair of black 2-pin connectors underneath the driver's seat. We will unplug those two stock connectors, and we'll plug the white 2-pin connectors from the Power Commander harness in line with the stock crank position sensor connectors. Next, we're going to route our Power Commander harness over the top of the engine. I'm going to route the harness underneath the shift cable here, and then over to the top of the engine. Over here on the passenger side of the engine, we can find our sub-harness connector for our fuel injectors. This is a black 6-pin connector. We're going to unplug that. We'll plug the 6-pin connectors from the Power Commander harness in line with the stock connectors. Next, we're going to take this branch here with the green and white green wires with the spade connectors. We're going to route that forward to our front ignition coil. Over here at the front ignition coil, we're going to unplug the stock coil wire, the green wire with the white tracer. We're going to attach the male spade from the Power Commander harness, that's the solid green wire, to the stock coil wire. We'll slide that insulator over. Next, we'll attach the white wire with a green tracer from the Power Commander harness back onto the coil. And that's the coil tab that has the green tab. Here at the rear ignition coil, we're going to unplug both of the stock coil wires. We're going to plug the stock brown wire with a purple tracer onto the Power Commander's red wire with a white tracer, specifically the male spade. And we'll take the stock white wire and we'll connect that to the Power Commander harness, the blue wire with the male spade. Now the two female spades will go onto the coil. The red wire with a white tracer is going to go to the lower coil tab, the black one. And the white wire with a blue tracer is going to go to the top coil tab, which is the green one. The last thing we'll want to do here at the rear coil is secure our Power Commander's ground wire with the ring lug to the rear coil bolt here. And now that everything's plugged in, we can go ahead and reinstall the plastics in the seats.